Today we're going to make a special cleaner called Thieves Cleaner. And Thieves Cleaner was created back in the 16th century during the time of the Black Plague. Now when the Black Plague came through, there was a band of spice traders that were there. And because they couldn't trade their spices because of the Black Plague, they just thought they would make a business of robbing the houses and the dead bodies of the people that died from the Black Plague. And that's where the thieves' name came from. Now the thieves used this blend of essential oils. They rubbed it on their bodies before they went and robbed their victims and their victims' homes. They put this thieves' oil all over them, and then when they got back, when they returned from their adventures, they washed their clothes in this essential oil blend, and this kept them from getting the Black Plague. And of course the king, he sent out an order for these thieves to be caught, and they were caught, and then he mandated that they tell them their secret to avoid getting the plague. And they did tell the king this under some great threats of prosecution and death. And the king used the blend to protect himself and his family. And so, because of this blend of oils now, we are making a cleaner because it's a sanitizing spray and it's a good cleaner to clean your house and rid your home of the flu-like symptoms and all these other things that we keep our home clean so that we won't get sick. And so this is the 5 oils that were used: the eucalyptus, clove, cinnamon, rosemary, and lemon, some type of citrus oil. So I use the Now brand oils. You can use whatever brand of oils that you would like to use. These are just the ones that I use. I've used them for a long time and I'm happy with them, but you can use whatever blend of oil you choose, whatever brand. Now I've got a good glass spray bottle here. I ordered this spray bottle from Grove Collaborative. I'll try to leave a link for that down in the description if you would like to order a good spray bottle. And I have multi here because this is going to be a multi-purpose cleaner. Now I have tweaked my Thieves Cleaner. I've tweaked my recipe just a little bit. I was hesitant to try Thieves Cleaner because I thought it would smell predominantly of vinegar. I'm not a big fan of a vinegar cleaning smell. And so I didn't really want to try that until when I did make it and try it. The vinegar smell dissipates pretty rapidly. You don't have a strong vinegar smell like you would think you would once you spray and clean. It really leaves a delightful and wonderful smell, and I've got where this is one of my favorite cleaners of all time. And here's the recipe that I've tweaked a little bit. I'll read this to you and show you how I make it. I have my glass spray bottle here. I take water and I make at least half of my bottle, 2/4 or half of my bottle. Well, I do have a funnel. That would be easier to use, wouldn't it? So about half of this bottle here is going to be water, distilled clean water. About 1/4 of my bottle is going to be isopropyl rubbing alcohol, like you would buy at any store. And then the other 1/4 of the bottle will be white vinegar. I prefer white vinegar because it just, it gives a good clean appearance. But you could use cider vinegar. That would be okay too. And then I use 10 to 12 drops of each one of these oils. This is eucalyptus, clove, once you use this Thieves Cleaner, I think you'll enjoy it as much as I do. And to know that it's sanitizing, that's a real advantage to making this cleaner. Now your oils that you buy will be an initial investment. That's a little bit of money up front. But these oils will go a long way and they'll make a lot of cleaner. Now these are two little optional ingredients. This is castille soap. I like to add about a tablespoon. I got a little bit too much water in there. And what this castille soap helps do is it helps these oils to blend in with that water a little bit better. And then I like to add about 5 drops of lemongrass, because I just love the smell of lemongrass and I love the way it makes the cleaner smell. And there you go. You just shake up these ingredients. Make sure you label your cleaner so that you'll know what you're working with always. Test your Thieves Cleaner on a small area before you use it on anything, because it does have vinegar, isopropyl alcohol, and it has these essential oils. So you want to just make sure whatever you use it on is safe to use those ingredients on what you clean it with. So just test your cleaner and make sure that it's appropriate for whatever you're going to be using your all-purpose cleaner for. I use it all over the house, to tell you the truth. I've never really had any problem with it. But my label looks a little tacky, but it's on there. You know what cleaner you got. Well, I hope you enjoy using the Thieves Cleaner just as much as I do. Thank you for joining me today, and like always, until next time.